well done my people. Now me, Mary Deba, I just still come and come follow my talk. Because you see, now me they talk and say, or this my platform say, waiting we they talk about, or waiting me they talk about now real, now true life story, now waiting they happen. Waiting I want to use this opportunity to tell our brothers and our sisters now. You see, you marry a woman, for example, now I'm talking to the men. You marry a woman and you know say definitely this woman not be this virgin now. Definitely she does still get past stories before. And now she dey willing to open up to tell you her life history due to what she don't pass through before. And now you go come tell you say, I don't feel do so person before. Now you go keep that thing for your mind. You go come marry the person. You no be saying you don't go marry am, you go marry and you go still born for you. But anytime when you come across that person when you tell you say don't fair date, you the vex of the woman. Man, not be so now. Woman if you open up, tell you her past tense, because some past tense they can't dey bother person for present. If you just say may I forget am, no. Some past no dey let person dey forget o, except say you tell person wey that your mind want me you tell the real truth. Without that one, e go be like say anytime you must listen, because they disturb you for your mind. So wetin make me dey talk this issue now? Because na true life story, you understand? Because all these things they happen, men they punish women due to their past life, due to their past issue, because of say the woman open up to tell them their secret. Okay, you marry a woman, you no gree open up. He dey tell you say innocent, he never ever do anything, no. And you wey be the man, you believe her because she no gree tell you anything. But those wey they tell you the truth, wey they tell you say open up, tell you say you get wetin I be wan tell you. Some still they find it difficult to tell their husband their past, because that their past it dey disturb them. There are people the reason say the past no be they take and say no. Some women don't love to keep secrets. They don't like it. They want to say it out. This is what I experienced when I was growing up. This is what I experienced. This is what happened to me. Some women they don't fair rape them before, but fear not let them tell their husband. They no fit. Because why? If he tell your husband, he don't know whether he go use her against him tomorrow. And men they fond of that thing. Because anytime when your wife tell her that word, maybe to say they go, even they don't fair rape before. Not be manage you. No, e no good. Men need to dey encourage una wife, no matter the situation where the woman fair pass through, present, past, anything. Now make me dey praise that man, that thing that call I dey praise am o, because e no possible to see man wey go stand with him wife for that kind of situation, because that thing e don tey. But that woman fit dey talk the truth. But that truth wey she dey talk, many people don't see and say the truth na nothing. Then why you not talk at that time? No, not be that time dey important. Now make me use that statement. Some past tense issue they live with person as present, but they disturb you. You no go fit sleep safe, because you feel safe for your mind. You dey cheat on your husband. The truth no dey between both of una. So now the woman will want voice out that thing where they bother her, that thing where they worry her for her mind. But you see, the issue be say your husband, you don't tell am say I first date this person before. Anytime we come across the person for road, when he go come enter his house, if you give him food, he go say no eat. Wetin happen? He go say nothing. You and person quarrel, he go say no. Before you know, go stop to the touch, you no go dey touch you again. No, nothing happen. But not be say something really happen, but due to your past tense, because of say you tell her say, you tell your husband say I don't first date this person before. Now you keep her for your mind, but this one punish you for his house. And men, it better mean you marry a woman where go they open up than say you marry a woman where they keep secrets. If you marry a woman where they keep secrets, if you born 5 children for outside before you marry, you don't go know. Never. But it's good say a woman tell you the truth and you stand beside her, say okay, this truth you talk now, okay, forget am now, past tense. And you yourself will be the man, you need to remove this issue come for your mind. You don't need to keep am as present. Imagine man now, because of say your wife, you first date person before and you know the person, you dey punish your wife. 1 year, you don't touch her. The woman are wood. She not be wood now. You keep that thing for your brain. And anytime you come across this particular person, hey, if you reach us, problem does start. you dey punish your woman, you no marry am. Make you see, God wey say make you marry, and if you marry, that woman go be part of your joy, your progress. But now some men go marry because of say the woman don open up some kind secret now. Na to dey wash cloth, na to dey cook. Punishment. You know, if you marry some kind men, na just to dey punish you for no reason. If you want even talk, I go say, come on, shut up. I'm talking, you are talking. No. No use the secret wey your wife tell you or her past tense wey she tell you, come dey live with her for present tense. Dey follow her, dey make problem. And sometimes some women no dey know the reason wey make their husband dey follow them dey make problem. Because of that secret wey you get wey you don follow and discuss, e go put am for im mind. If you know say you dey live around the area wey be say your wife don fit date anybody before, you change city, especially for this Europe. Change city see abroad big. If you dey journey change and you dey one particular place, your wife don fit date person before, change city is very very important. If you dey Spain, your wife don fit date person around your premises before, change city. No because of that one dey punish the woman anytime when you come across. And men dey do one thing, you no go ever know their mind o. E go keep that thing there, e go dey use am worry, e go dey squeeze you, dey squeeze line. Men, woman wey open mind tell you the truth. You no know luck wey you get o. No be all women dey open up. Women dey to keep secret forever. You fit marry woman, e go pretend for more than 50 years. But the day wey you go start to dey know am, e don late. Because that time say you dey even dey wait make God call you. But in a real sense, or in the way wey be say things really take good, your wife tell you one big thing wey don happen to her, you need to stand beside her. You understand? Let me use that Tini Dakolo and Busola Dakolo as an example. That lady, before she tell the man, because of say the thing no gree comot for her mind, she see herself as her table now. She see herself as maybe person where she know that anytime she thinks say she get that kind of big secret for her mind, she dey feel say she no dey trustworthy to her husband. Na make her reveal that kind big secret to the man, say see wetin be my past experience. You understand? And the man stand beside the woman. If na some men, this thing wey this woman talk come out, so e go drive the woman comot for husband, so everything go just go like that. But the man get sense. And I want maybe some men, wanna see they copy from other men. They copy good things. Copy good things. I really praise that man. Copy good things. It good, anything at all. Say woman, any past experience any woman get, it good make they relate am with the present husband. But if you know say, I want advise woman now, if you know say that secret now, na it go lead you comot for your husband house. Abeg, keep am move. Because sometimes secrets are meant to reveal, but sometimes it is not good to reveal secrets. Because you don't know whether it go spoil your home. Sometimes some men don't take it lightly at all. Now that time you can't give them big opportunity to take go bring. You understand? Now that big opportunity, you won't go bring the junior one come. It be not get am for mind since. But as you don't follow and discuss that kind of issue, it won't go bring the junior. So you need to know what you are doing when you are talking to your husband. You need to know what you are saying. If you are talking to your boyfriend, you need to know what you are saying. And at the same time, men where women they reveal their secrets to. Some men are very desperate. If you tell us your secrets sometimes, then they wait for you for front. Either to use them and destroy you, or they use them for any other thing. So please, if you have a good wife who really rely on you, who believe in you, in any past tense story she tells you, please stay with her. No use her and punish her. She love you, let me can tell you. Stay with her is very very important. This story, it will help us a lot. It's a true life story. Okay? It will help every one of us. And I want maybe say women will know say they get that kind of secret for their mind. If you are really willing to say to your husband, please voice it out. Tell your husband. You understand? It's important. Tell your husband so that your husband will know what you don't pass through before. Not be saying you can't put on for your mind, or you use and say they worry yourself, or you can't go tell your girlfriend. No, because if it spoil your home, you go tell your girlfriend. If it's for your home, it's even better for you to tell your husband, so that you go know say you tell the right person. If for example say you go tell something out to your best friend, your best friend go wan use am and drive you comot for the house, because he go wan enter the house now, because you don give am the key. Na the key you don give am. So that is the reason why some women would prefer to tell their husband their past tense rather than telling their girlfriend. You understand? So please, I think that what that lady must have done, or if it's anybody, you did the right thing. If una get any secret for una to tell una friend, make una tell una husband. Anyhow you get as e be, una husband has to be the best. If you know say you no fit tell your husband, no tell your friend, no tell your husband. Keep am to yourself forever and forever, just like that. So abeg, my people, you know, this kind of topic like this na very serious issue, and na get the way the thing be. It dey happen. It happen to one person, no mean say no go happen to another person. It can happen anywhere. So now most of the things wey many people dey face for their marriage, na be this one wey many people no know. Your past life wey you tell your husband fit result to anything for your husband mind, of which you no go ever know. Either he looks down on you, or he thinks something else, or to go and bring in another woman. So please, if you know you have a past life, share it with your husband, or you keep it to yourself forever rather than you saying it to your girlfriend, because girlfriends are not trustworthy, they are not trustable. Either they drive you out of the house and take your husband from you, or you lose everything. So my advice to you people today, my advice to una, to everybody, to everyone who wan come across this my video, na just say you have a lot dey for now to learn from this video. So one thing today is just that keeping secret past tense to yourself, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not good. Okay, so it might bear good fruit, it might not bear good fruit. Sometimes your husband fit still come later know, but sometimes some men, they want to know your past life. But sometimes some men, they don't even care, they just want you, they love you like that. But don't ever say it. If you cannot say it to your husband, no need when you tell your girlfriend. Tell your husband, or you leave on like that. No go say my girlfriend. Tell about tell my husband, tell my girlfriend. You don't still make mistake for them. No girlfriend. Your husband. If you don't want to tell your husband, keep on to yourself forever. So now the only advice where I get for now, be that one. Watch Igbota TV.